Right guys, well, I've got a treat for you. I've been wanting one of these for a long time for the Land Rover and for our campouts. This is the Petromax Atago. So straight out the bag, and look at that, Petromax Atago. Comes into its own once you lift that handle, just pops up. So that is a great fire pit, that is awesome. I love the finish on it as well, all stainless steel. Pop up legs, and inside the bag you get a grill plate and the base plate for the coals. So well made, and the grill sits over the top, so that's great. And it's a great fit as well, the way the grill sits on the lip, because some of the portable barbecues and fire pits I've used, the top grate slides around, but that fits there really nicely, really flush. So the beauty of this, it's not only a fire pit on its own, it becomes a grill barbecue unit. And the thing I like about it the most, Petromax Dutch Oven FT6 fits in there like that. So how diverse is that? Grilling, baking, roasting, frying, all in the back of the Landy. Gorgeous. So let's put this Petromax Atago to its paces, see how it performs. But I've been wanting one of these for a long time and finally got one, and you know what I like with my kit, so this is going to be great. And the thing I really like about this is it's so well insulated with the sides that you can actually touch the sides, and underneath is cool, so you can place it anywhere, dry grass, on dry leaves, in any environment, and you're not running the risk of setting the forest on fire or burning your lawn at home. And it's a windy day today, and it's fire's so well insulated inside here, so you get maximum heat from your burn. A very self-contained fire, you haven't got to worry in really dry areas. And also it's got such a great robust handle. You want to move it around your camp, you can just pick the handle up, move your fire pit wherever you want it. The jackets are in, and it really gives off, you know, there's a few coals in there really giving off a nice bit of heat, and it's a windy day as well, and this fire is so contained. Another great feature that I like, the FT6 Petromax Dutch Oven. The top lid fits exactly over the top of the Atago, so on a really wet day it's not going to put your fire out.
It's like an oven as well,
yeah,
with that on.
Yeah, it is. Look at that. So we'll be doing lots of cook-ups on here. What a great piece of kit. You know, if you're in the market for something like this, which I've been wanting for a long time, and you come to use it, it's impressive. It's so versatile. You know, you can use it in your garden, you can use it on your car camping trips, you can use it on woodland campouts. It's a win-win fire pit. I think it's the best fire pit on the market. I've researched these for a while, and I've come up with this one that that will suit me and Mrs. B in the Land Rover for our future overlanding trips.
Hope you're hungry, Dean. You've got a lot here.
And me, Mrs. B. Right, that's ready, Mrs. B. And the jackets been nicely baking in there. Let's see how well this has cooked, these jackets. That is quick. Oh, look at them.
They're good.
Oh, look at that. How many do you want, Ange? 2 to start with?
Yep. Thank you.
So don't take your better half to all these fancy restaurants and pay loads of money. Get yourself one of these. A nice area to camp in with your vehicle. And how happy are you, Ange?
Very.
So I just want to show you. That's been on about 1 hour and 10 minutes on dry leaves. And I'll show you the ground underneath. Look at that.
Is it warm?
No, stone cold. So that is great. It's not touched the ground at all, I ain't scorched it one bit. And we had a great cook up. So all you people worrying about torching the ground or going on a campsite, perfect. You know, it's not going to torch their grass, you're not going to burn the woods down or burn their area down. Awesome. I've got a nice selection of meats. I'm going to make a lovely mixed grill. Nice couple of logs on there, so perfect for woodland, a nice woodland camp out. I've come out for the day here, but you know, if you had a proper setup, you'd be more than comfortable with this fire pit. What are you cooking, me, Mrs. B?
Buns.
Hot chocolate and buns in the woodland.
We toast them on there, shall we?
Yeah, it'd be lovely. Did you bring any butter?
Yep.
This is a great feature with the fire pit. Just to pull on a lever, it gives the fire pit more or less airflow. Cool, look at that, that's turning up the heat, that is. That tucks away nicely when you put it in transit. Yeah, Mrs. B.
Thanks, Dean.
Gorgeous hot chocolate. I might chuck another bun on as well. Getting a bit peckish. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found this piece of kit interesting. So if you're interested in this product, you know, I highly recommend it. It's great. You're going to see it a lot more in my videos. But it's called the Petromax Atago, made by Petromax. They do some wonderful stuff if you want to check their gear out. But so impressed. So we've had a lovely little afternoon camp out, me and Mrs. Bushwhacker. We're going to enjoy our hot chocolates, aren't we?
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next one. Enjoy the great outdoors. Hey, Mrs. B.
Yep, enjoy the great outdoors.
Cheers, guys.